In this video, I will show you how to make interactive checkbox animation in Figma. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's find some flags and checkbox from Iconify plugin. To make this type of checkbox design, now select all the flags and adjust their spacing. Now select all the flags and convert them into multiple component set. Now let's add some text. Place the flag. Select both text and flag and add auto layout. Now adjust their spacing. Now add checkbox. Then select checkbox and frame and add auto layout again. Now adjust their spacing. Now select the main frame and add auto layout again. Make it padding 16 from left and right and also 16 from top and bottom. Now add stroke and change its color. Also change the color of checkbox. Now select frame and make its component. Now add a variant of it. Now select the first checkbox and hide its tick arrow. Then select the second checkbox and add a fill. Now let's prototype them. Connect first frame with second. Choose on click. Animation will be instant. Do the same with other. Now let's make a frame. Place the checkbox in frame. Now select the component and duplicate it. It's looking fine. Now let's change their text. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.